Have you ever noticed how some people seem to thrive while others struggle through each day? The secret isn't just fate or wealth, it lies in their daily habits. Studies reveal that a staggering 40% of our behaviors are driven by habits. This means that your current life is shaped by what you consistently do, not just occasional choices. Today, we will take charge of these habits and replace them with powerful rituals that elevate your body, mind, and spirit to new heights. Let's explore the cornerstone of your day, the morning. Your morning routine has the power to influence your entire day. Consider waking up just 30 minutes earlier than usual. Rather than diving into chaos, take a moment to hydrate your body after hours of fasting during sleep. Before reaching for screens, embrace a time of silence. Use this precious time to journal, breathe deeply, stretch, or pray, whatever centers you. Set intentions for the day. Speak your goals and dreams out loud. Affirmations can transform your mindset and focus your energy on what truly matters. Remember, your morning can be either a time of stress or a launching pad for success. Make the choice that serves you best. Next, let's explore your evening routine. Just as your morning shapes your day, your evening influences your rest and recovery. Dedicate time to unwind and reflect on your day. Consider journaling your thoughts or planning for tomorrow. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. Instead, engage in calming activities that promote relaxation and prepare your mind for sleep. Prioritize sleep as a vital component of your well-being. Quality rest is essential for recharging your mind and body. As you establish these empowering routines, remember that transformation doesn't happen overnight. Be patient and consistent with your efforts. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each positive habit you cultivate contributes to the life you desire. Incorporate these rituals into your daily life, and watch as they gradually change your outlook, boost your energy, and lead you to a more fulfilling existence.